China is home to some of the world's most impressive feats of engineering. From towering skyscrapers to vast high-speed rail networks, the country has built some of the largest and most challenging infrastructure projects on the planet. But today, we're focusing on something truly spectacular: bridges. In this video, we'll dive into 10 of the craziest engineering bridges in China, exploring the innovative techniques, massive scales, and human stories behind these jaw-dropping structures. Each of these bridges is a marvel of engineering, built to overcome huge challenges like rough terrain, extreme weather, and even political boundaries. They represent human ingenuity and the relentless drive to push the boundaries of what's possible. Let's begin with one of the longest bridges ever constructed. 10. The Fengyu Bridge, a traditional engineering marvel. The Fengyu Bridge, also known as the Wind and Rain Bridge. This wooden bridge, located in the Guizhou province, was built by the Dong people, a minority group in China, without using a single nail. It's a stunning example of traditional Chinese architecture and engineering. The bridge has stood for over 100 years, surviving floods, strong winds, and the test of time. It was designed to provide shelter for travelers, with covered walkways and pavilions along the bridge. The engineering marvel here is the use of wooden joinery techniques, where pieces of wood are carefully fitted together without the need for metal fasteners. Despite its age, the Fengyu Bridge remains a functional part of the local community and a symbol of the Dong people's craftsmanship. 9. The Shibanpo Bridge, a cultural and engineering icon. The Shibanpo Bridge, located in Chongqing, is more than just a bridge. It's a cultural icon. Spanning 1,160 meters, 3,806 feet, across the mighty Yangtze River, the bridge was originally built in the 1980s and has since been expanded to accommodate the city's growing population. It plays a crucial role in connecting different parts of the city, carrying both cars and trains. One of the biggest challenges in building the Shibanpo Bridge was dealing with the Yangtze River's strong currents and deep waters. The engineers had to use advanced construction techniques to ensure the bridge's stability. Today, the bridge is a vital part of Chongqing's transportation network and a symbol of the city's modernization. 8. The Lishui Bridge, an architectural masterpiece. The Lishui Bridge, also known as the Lishui Bridge, is an architectural masterpiece located in Hunan Province. Spanning 1,390 meters, 4,560 feet. Across the Lishui River, the bridge is a vital transportation link for the region. Its distinctive arch design makes it one of the most beautiful bridges in China. The bridge's arch design was chosen for its strength and ability to distribute weight evenly across the structure. This was crucial in a region prone to heavy rains and strong winds. The bridge was completed in 2010 and has become a symbol of Hunan's development. Its elegant design has also made it a popular tourist attraction. 7. The Qingdao Haiwan Bridge, a record-breaking water crossing. The Qingdao Haiwan Bridge is a true giant, holding the record for the longest bridge over water, stretching 42 kilometers, 26 miles. It connects the city of Qingdao with the district of Qingdao, providing a vital transportation link. Before the bridge was built, drivers had to take a much longer route around the bay. Construction of the bridge started in 2007, and it took 4 years to complete. One of the biggest challenges was dealing with the tides and currents in Jiaozhou Bay. The engineers had to build the bridge in sections, using huge barges to transport materials across the water. The bridge was also designed to be strong enough to withstand earthquakes and typhoons. Fun fact: the Qingdao Haiwan Bridge is made up of more than 450,000 tons of steel and 2.3 million cubic meters of concrete, enough to build 65 Eiffel Towers. 6. The Xihoumen Bridge, facing typhoons and sea conditions. The Xihoumen Bridge, the second largest suspension bridge in the world, connects Jintang and Sizi Islands in China's Zhejiang province. Spanning a total length of 5,300 meters, 17,388 feet, the bridge opened in 2009 and is a key part of the Ningbo-Zhoushan Expressway. Building this bridge was incredibly difficult due to the extreme sea conditions in the area. Engineers had to account for typhoons, strong sea winds, and rough waves. To combat these challenges, the bridge was designed with ultra-strong materials and aerodynamic shapes that minimize wind resistance. It can even withstand earthquakes up to 8.0 on the Richter scale. Interesting fact, the Xihoumen Bridge has a main span of 1,650 meters, 5,413 feet, making it the longest suspension bridge in China and the second longest in the world. It has drastically improved transportation between the islands, reducing the need for ferries and promoting economic growth in the region. The Anzhaite Longspan Suspension Bridge, built for beauty and function. The Anzhaite Longspan Suspension Bridge is a true masterpiece of engineering and architecture. Located in the mountainous Guizhou province, this 1,200-meter-long suspension bridge spans a deep valley. The challenge was building a bridge in such a remote area with difficult terrain. Engineers also had to consider the region's frequent earthquakes and heavy winds. What makes the Anzhaite Bridge unique is its design. The suspension design was chosen for its flexibility, allowing the bridge to move slightly with the wind and remain stable during earthquakes. This is key in a region known for seismic activity. The bridge was completed in 2003 and has since become a key transportation route, reducing travel time and boosting the local economy. But it's not just about function. This bridge is also beautiful. Its elegant, sweeping design blends perfectly with the surrounding mountains, making it one of the most visually stunning bridges in the world. The Beipanjiang Bridge, the tallest bridge in the world. The Beipanjiang Bridge, located between Guizhou and Yunnan provinces, is the tallest bridge in the world, towering 565 meters, 1,854 feet, above the Beipan River. The bridge is part of a highway that cuts through some of China's most rugged and remote terrain. It took 3 years to build and was completed in 2016. One of the main challenges of the Beipanjiang Bridge was the deep, mountainous terrain. Engineers had to figure out how to build support pillars that could reach down into the valley while still ensuring the bridge would be stable and safe. The result is a cable-stayed design that looks both delicate and strong. What's amazing about the Beipanjiang Bridge is that it cuts travel time between the two provinces from 5 hours to just 1 hour. This has had a huge impact on the local economy, making it easier for people and goods to move through the region. And for anyone driving across, the views are absolutely stunning, if you're not afraid of heights. 3. The Siduhe Bridge, one of the highest bridges in the world. The Siduhe Bridge, located in Hubei Province, is a truly breathtaking sight. Standing 496 meters, 1,627 feet, above the Sidu River Gorge, it is one of the highest bridges in the world. To put that in perspective, it's about 1.5 times the height of the Empire State Building. The bridge spans 1,222 meters, 4,009 feet, across a dramatic mountain valley, providing a critical link in China's highway system. The construction of the Siduhe Bridge was no easy task. Due to its extreme height and remote location, engineers had to innovate to get materials across the valley. In one of the most creative engineering solutions ever, rockets were used to shoot cables across the gorge. These cables were then used to support the bridge's main structure. Despite the challenging environment, the bridge was completed in just over 3 years and has since become a symbol of China's engineering prowess. 2. The Hong Kong-Zhuhai-Macau Bridge, linking 3 cities across the sea. Next up is the Hong Kong-Zhuhai-Macau Bridge, the longest sea-crossing bridge in the world. It stretches 55 kilometers, 34 miles, across the Pearl River Delta, linking Hong Kong, Zhuhai, and Macau. This bridge is an engineering wonder, combining a series of tunnels and artificial islands to create a seamless connection across the open sea. Construction started in 2009 and took almost a decade to complete, with the bridge officially opening in 2018. One of the biggest challenges was dealing with the extreme conditions of the South China Sea, including strong winds, waves, and currents. To counter this, engineers used cutting-edge technology, including steel with a special anti-corrosion coating and concrete capable of withstanding high salt levels. The bridge is more than just a connection between three cities. It's also an economic lifeline. It drastically reduces travel time, helping to boost trade and tourism. Before the bridge was built, traveling between these cities took several hours by ferry or plane. Now, the journey takes less than 45 minutes. 1. The Danyang-Kunshan Grand Bridge, the longest bridge in the world. Stretching an incredible 164 kilometers, 102 miles. The Danyang-Kunshan Grand Bridge holds the record as the longest bridge on Earth. It's part of the Beijing-Shanghai high-speed railway, connecting two of China's most important cities. Construction began in 2006 and was completed in 2010, with a workforce of over 10,000 people. The project took 4 years and cost approximately $8.5 billion. The sheer length of the bridge was a challenge. It had to be built over a range of terrains, including rice paddies, canals, and rivers. The engineers also had to ensure that the bridge could withstand natural disasters like earthquakes and typhoons, which are common in the region. Despite its massive size, the bridge was designed to be both lightweight and incredibly strong. Fun fact, the bridge is so long that you can drive on it for nearly 2 hours without seeing land. In the end, China's bridges are more than just functional structures. They are engineering wonders that represent the incredible capabilities of modern technology and human effort. From the world's longest and highest bridges to traditional wooden masterpieces, these structures tell stories of innovation, perseverance, and at times, failure. They've helped connect people, boost economies, and showcase the potential of civil engineering. We hope you've enjoyed learning about these monumental achievements. If you found this fascinating, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more amazing engineering stories.